wonder why don't she write to me? Sometimes I wonder why don't she write to me? I've been a better feeling, but I really didn't mean to be.
Tourists. They truly are international.
A little ripe bird rolled out of the tree. A little seed fell to the ground. Just like your mama said, you're gonna knock the knees. Baby girl, you're a baby, please. Love the way you make me lose my mind. You drive me crazy, you drive the train right off the track. You got the engine hot and the wheels are screaming, brake is pulled, but my heart keeps reeling. Love the way you make me lose my mind. Tickets, troubles, baggage, throw them off the train. I'll ride this rail until I go insane. Money, motor, passport, I'll give it all away. You got me all mixed up, like the way you don't give up. You got me coming round all the with all your sweet talking charm. Oh, you come home late and you're begging to please, and I'm the girl with the knocking knees. I love the way you make me lose.
It would actually be an amazing photo if we were stationary.
Tickets, trouble, baggage, throw them off the train. I ride this rail until I go insane. Money, motor, passport, I'll give it all away. You got me all mixed up, like the way you don't give up on me.
Guys, I had to say goodbye to Mandy today. She's headed back to Cincinnati. And I just crossed into New York. Check that out. Oh, isn't it beautiful, all the traffic. Alright, there you go. That's like the most cars that have passed all day, of course, when I'm trying to shoot a video. But, yeah, welcome to New York.
That looks like rain. But look at that. Woo!
Look at that cloud. It's chasing me right now, and it looks completely full of rain. And I'm 10 minutes from camp. But check out these hay bales. Wow! I was down when you left me here, yeah. Yes, I cried. I cried a pool of
Check
tears.
this place out. This is free.
But I soon realized
Oh my God!
that it was
It's
just
so pretty.
come from my
Welcome to Southern New York.
The road back there is closed, which means that I have pretty much free reign of this lane for at least another couple miles, because no other roads have really crossed it. And so here's my private road. I just passed by this cheese factory back there, and now the air smells like melted butter, and it's pretty much torture. I have to make note of this before I forget because it is too good not to document. People are very interesting, and you never know what kind of person you're gonna find when you're exploring the country. So this guy, I was chilling at a gas station yesterday. He pulls up, older car, gets out, he's wearing a ball cap over kind of a mullet style haircut, wife beater, and jeans. He comes into the gas station, buys 2 Red Bulls, gets back in his car and proceeds to shotgun them. So I see him bend over, and he leans up, holds the bottom of the can up to his mouth, and pops it open. A second later, he throws it down, grabs the other one, and does the exact same thing. And then just drives off. You see some interesting things out here. Oh man, it was no judgment, but it was just interesting. It was funny. Belfast, New York, home of the Bare Knuckle Boxing Hall of Fame. There we are. I just have to say how cool it is when bikers give me their little wave. In memory of our firemen. Now while I'm out here having fun on this ride, there are a few thousand firefighters literally risking their life to defend my hometown in Carmel Valley, California. There is a huge wildfire spreading through the Ventana wilderness between Big Sur and there. And my dad's out there working hard alongside his crew and a lot of other people from the community. And I'd like to say thank you for everything you do. Oh, what the? Wrong way. Not since Michigan have I had a trail like this. All alone in the spooky woods. How do I do it? How can I manage? It's places like this that make me glad that I don't have to ride on the interstate or on the major highways, because I would have missed out on all of this stuff. Yeah. 1 mile. 1 mile? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Well, I guess that's what it means. A castle. Nice. Church castle thing. Oh yeah, what's back here? Sweet. Oh, I see where I'm gonna sit. Right there. Tesco Lake. Pretty cool. Just keep climbing, just keep climbing. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Yeah, I just made that up right now. What do you think? There's an epic storm picking up, and I got into my tent just in time. Oh, this is awesome.
So I better keep
No, come back, homie. All right, later.